Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore.
Whether it's a lively party or a casual get-together, enjoying canned drinks is a popular choice. However, the traditional methods of opening cans often lead to messy spills and even potential injuries when resorting to makeshift tools like keys or knives. Krak'in 2.0 is here to revolutionize the way you enjoy your favorite canned beverages. The Krak'in offers a safer, cleaner, more enjoyable way to open and chug your drinks. Its built-in shotgun funnel ensures a smooth and swift chugging experience, eliminating spills and messes commonly associated with traditional opening method. By providing a safer and more fun alternative to using keys or knives, the Krak'in elevates the overall enjoyment of canned beverage. As demonstrated in viral social media series, the Krak'in's compatibility with various can types showcases its versatility and reliability. Its ultra-portable and durable design makes it the perfect party accessory, effortlessly carried wherever you go. The Krak'in also makes a unique and practical gift, adding a touch of excitement to social gatherings and special occasions. If you enjoy canned beverages and value convenience and safety, Krak'in is an essential tool for you. Say goodbye to messy spills and hello to a fun and efficient chugging experience. The Krak'in 2.0. A reliable camping hammock with mosquito netting is essential for outdoor enthusiasts who seek comfort and protection during their adventures. Introducing the Unwind 11 feet camping hammock with mosquito netting, a durable and versatile sleeping solution for camping, hiking, and backpacking. Made from 2.1-ounce tear-resistant hexagonal nylon, this hammock is lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, supporting up to 500 pounds. The single-panel design provides superior comfort and eliminates the discomfort of traditional seams. Included with the hammock are adjustable tree straps, removable bottom insect netting, overhead storage pockets, and adjustable slings, providing everything needed for a comfortable sleeping setup. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack and carry, weighing only 2.4 pounds and compressing into a convenient carrying bag for travel and storage. Quick and easy to set up, the Onewind hammock unfolds in seconds, providing a comfortable and relaxing sleeping corner controlled by adjustable lanyards. Enjoy the ultimate camping experience with this portable and comfortable outdoor hammock. The Survival Spark Magnesium Fire Starter is an essential survival tool, especially in emergency situations. This 3-in-1 fire starter easily starts a fire and includes a 5.5-inch magnesium rod, providing a reliable source of fire. With the flat-edge scraper and longer serrations, you can build up to 15,000 fires. Designed to be windproof and weatherproof, this fire starter ensures reliable ignition in any environment. In addition to its ignition capabilities, the kit also includes additional tools for outdoor activities. It includes a compass for navigating unfamiliar terrain and a 150 decibel Swiss siren to signal for help in case of danger. These features make the Survival Spark Magnesium Fire Starter an invaluable asset in tactical and emergency situations, ensuring you are well prepared and able to respond in challenging conditions. Don't be left in a pinch. Equip yourself with this comprehensive survival kit. When venturing outdoors, ensuring your tent or shelter is firmly anchored is vital for safety and peace of mind. That's where HEYTRIP heavy-duty tent stakes come in. These robust stakes provide a reliable solution for securing your shelter, even in challenging conditions. Crafted from premium steel with a black finish, these stakes are built to withstand strong winds and rugged terrain. The large flat head and sharp tip make them easy to drive into even hard soil with a hammer. The set includes bonus reflective guidelines with aluminum adjusters, improving nighttime visibility and adding extra reinforcement for your tent or shelter. The tent stakes come with a handy storage bag, making them easy to transport and keep organized. Whether you're pitching your tent on dirt, sand, grass, or rocky soil, these heavy-duty stakes provide a secure hold. They're perfect for tents, tarps, canopies, and more, ensuring a safe and enjoyable outdoor experience. Choose HEYTRIP heavy-duty tent stakes for peace of mind and a worry-free outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping, venturing into the wilderness, or facing a survival situation, having a reliable tool for cutting wood is essential. The Vikrom Pocket Chainsaw Rope Saw is a high-quality, foldable saw designed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Built with high-strength, superheat-treated carbon steel and a durable nylon belt, this 25-inch survival wire saw effortlessly cuts through even hardwood. Its lightweight and compact design makes it perfect for backpacking, as it folds down easily to fit in a pocket or nylon bag. Equipped with a two-way tooth blade, this portable hand chainsaw cuts quickly and efficiently, surpassing traditional hand saws in speed and convenience. The soft nylon handle ensures a comfortable grip even during extended use, while the bright orange color makes it easy to spot in any environment. For camping, hunting, hiking, backpacking, or any outdoor activity, the Vikrom Pocket Chainsaw Rope Saw is an indispensable tool. It's also a thoughtful gift for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers, offering convenience, reliability, and versatility in any outdoor scenario. Imagine gathering around a warm, inviting fire without the constant battle against smoke. Our innovative Smokeless design burns off smoke before it reaches your eyes and clothes, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable experience for everyone. Radiant heat vents surrounding the fire pit create a cozy atmosphere, while the spacious firebox accommodates standard 16-inch cordwood, keeping the flames going strong all night long. Setting up your campfire has never been easier. With a quick 30-second setup and breakdown, you'll spend less time fiddling with equipment and more time enjoying the outdoors. And when it's time to pack up, the fire pit folds to less than 2.5-inch thick, making it incredibly easy to transport. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this fire pit is built to last. Its rugged construction resists rust and corrosion, ensuring years of reliable use. The safe design contains a low-impact, above-ground fire, allowing you to enjoy the warmth and ambiance without harming the environment. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or simply relaxing in your backyard, Product Name is your go-to fire pit solution. Embrace the warmth, gather around the flames, and create lasting memories with the ultimate portable fire pit. Ready to elevate your waterside camping game? Say hello to the BOTE Hangout Suite Floating Chair, the ultimate in aquatic relaxation. Picture this: you, chilling in a comfy, partly submerged chair, soaking up the sun with a cold drink in hand. Sounds like paradise, right? This bad boy is 4 feet long and nearly as wide, providing plenty of space to stretch out. Plus, it's built with BOTE's super durable Aero Ultra technology, so you know it can handle some serious lounging. And, with a 300-pound capacity, there's room for everyone to enjoy. Best of all, this listing is for a 2-pack, so you and a friend can double the fun. Each chair weighs just 11 pounds when packed, making them easy to toss in your camping gear. So ditch those clunky pool floats and upgrade to the BOTE Hangout Suite Floating Chair. Your next camping trip will never be the same. Forget your average cooler. This is the Arctic Explorer of portable refreshment. It's like having a miniature ice fortress at your side, ready to keep your drinks frosty and your snacks colder than a polar bear's nose. Unzip this insulated wonderland and voila, you've entered a realm of refreshing perfection. The Maelstrom Soft Cooler Bag isn't just a cooler, it's a portable cryogenic chamber for your favorite treats. Whether you're tailgating, camping, or basking on the beach, it's the hero of hydration, keeping your beverages so cold, even the Yeti would be impressed. With its sleek design and shoulder strap, this is the James Bond of coolers. Always ready for action and blending seamlessly into any escapade. So pack it up, zip it tight, and let the Maelstrom Soft Cooler Bag be your icy companion on the quest for refreshment, even in the hottest adventures. Say goodbye to bulky cookware and hello to the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Designed with backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts in mind, this 10-piece set has everything you need to whip up delicious meals in the wilderness. The kit's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to pack and carry, while its durable construction ensures it can handle the rigors of outdoor use. From boiling water for coffee to simmering a hearty stew, the MalloMe Mess Kit has you covered. The non-stick pot and pan make cooking and cleaning a breeze, and the included bowls, spork, and spoons provide all the essentials for enjoying your culinary creation. Whether you're embarking on a solo backpacking trip or a weekend camping adventure with friends, the MalloMe Mess Kit is the perfect companion for any outdoor excursion. Upgrade your camping experience with the MalloMe Camping Cookware Mess Kit. Pack light, cook delicious meals, and savor the flavors of the great outdoors. Designed for the discerning adventurer who demands both lightweight portability and uncompromising quality, Featherstone Backpacking Tent is your ideal outdoor shelter. Crafted from resilient sil nylon PU with a remarkable 5,000mm hydrostatic head rating, this imported tent is built to conquer any terrain. Weighing in at a mere 4 pounds 3 ounces trail weight, the Featherstone is a backpacker's dream, minimizing your load without sacrificing comfort or durability. Don't be fooled by its feather-light design. This spacious tent comfortably accommodates 2 people, making it perfect for couples, friends, or solo adventurers seeking extra space. Constructed from legendary silicone nylon, renowned for its high-performance properties, Featherstone withstands rugged environments and provides reliable protection from the element. The bathtub floor design ensures waterproofing, keeping you dry even in damp conditions, while seam tape construction adds an extra layer of defense against leaks, making it suitable for all-season use. Experience the perfect blend of lightweight comfort and dependable shelter with the Featherstone Backpacking Tent. Your next adventure awaits. COOZMENT, your hydration hero. COOZMENT portable water bottle enhances convenience and versatility for outdoor adventures and everyday life. Crafted from food-grade PE with a food-grade PP lid and silicone gasket, these bottles protect the purity of your water without compromising taste. With BPA and PVC-free components, you can enjoy your beverage without worry. Designed to be user-friendly, the COOZMENT bottle features a 4-inch bucket spout for easy cleaning and filling. The integrated spout provides precise dispensing control, eliminating the need to constantly remove the lid. The included cleaning brush ensures thorough cleaning. Compact and lightweight, these bottles are easy to store and transport. 2 handles add portability. In addition to water, the COOZMENT bottle is perfect for holding a variety of drinks, making it the ideal companion for camping trips, picnics, or simply staying hydrated at home. Experience hydration redefined with the COOZMENT portable water bottle on Amazon.